Today's topic is about glue. You're definitely going to need some in your toolkit, and I'm going to tell you what I found that seems to be working for me. Well, here's the old standby super glue. It's been around forever, and I've been using super glue for probably the last 10 or 15 years, but I just wanted to see, if there was something else out there. Was I surprised? Because I haven't really been looking that much, but there seems to be at least 1 million types of glue out there, and there's glue liquid, glue gel, and all kinds of subsets of super glue that seem to be a little bit different. So it's a little bit confusing for me. So I decided to try something called Loctite. And it works for leather, rubber, paper, wood, metal, plastics. And I put a picture in here because even within Loctite there are probably 15 different types of Loctite glue and or gel. So this is the one I'm using. It's the one with the orange and blue tube. Be interested to see what you think, but I think the Loctite actually was a little bit better at holding things together than the old-fashioned super glue that I've been using forever. So those of you who've been using super glue like I have forever and ever and just never thought of trying something else, next time you go to the hardware store, try a little bottle of this Loctite and see if it's any better for you, all right? And as always, thanks for watching, and hopefully you're enjoying the little bits of information that I'm putting out there for you. Thanks again. Bye.